Good morning all of you. Today we learn about the class 5th chapter number 1st numbers. Last video you already read and you understand. Last 1 to 4th question is completed in your second video. Today we start question number 5th. Question number 5th say give the place value for the encircled digit in the following numbers. Question say give the place value for the encircled digit in the following numbers. Encircled means which is the with where is the make the circle, that only that numbers we find the place value. In question number first, fifth first, the place value of which numbers is encircled? Fifth. Question number first, fifth first, in question number fifth first, your fifth 5 is encircled. The place value of 5 we can see here 5. After the 5, how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we write here after the 5, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the value of 5. Place value. The next question number second, the place value of 3. The place value of 3. Then in 3 is 3000. 3000. About the place value, face value, in the first video I already tell you. If you don't know, then you can see the video number first. Then next, the place value of 4. The place value of 4 is 400. How is 400? Before the after the 4, how many digits? 1, 2. Then we write here 2, 0. Then next, the place value of 5. We can see here in circle is on 5. Then 5. After the 5, how many numbers? Only 1. Then 1, 0. Then next, the place value of 2. There are not digit after the 2. Then we write only 2 is the place value. We know that in the ones value, on the ones value which is the digit, that place value and face value both are the same. Then next, in next sixth question there are 2 digits in circle. Then first we write here the place value of 9. The place value of 9. The place value of 9, after the 9 how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we write here 1, 2, 3 and 4, 0. And next, the place value of, in this question, the place value of 2 is equal to 20. Like that your question number 5 is complete. Next, question number 6, write the place value of 6 and 2 in the following numbers. Only in that all are question, only the find the place value of 6 and 2. Then in question number first, the place value, first which is our question say, first the find the place value of 6. Then we find the first place value of 6, the place value of 6. In question number first, then we can write here and we can see here 6 is the present here and 6th place is 1's place. Then we write here only the 6. And in this question, the place value of 2. The place value of 2. When we see here, where is the 2 situated? Then 1s, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Then 10,000 means that is your 10,000. Then next, the place value in second question, the place value of 6. The place value of 6, you can see here is 6 is coming 2 times. Then we write both are the place value of 6. First we write here 6, first 6, then it is value of 10's value. See, sit here on 10's value, and then second 6 is sit on 1000 value. Then 6,000 is the value. In question number second, there are 2 6 6. Then we write both are the 6 place value. Now in this question, the place value of 2. In question number second, the place value of 2 is sit here on 100 place. Then 200. Next question number say third, the place value of 6. We can see here is 6 is also coming in 2 times. First 6 is only one's place and second 6 is sit here on 10 place. Then after that the place value of 2. We can see here 2 is also coming here 2 times. First 2 is come sit here on 100 place. Then first 2 place value is 200 and second place is 2000. Second 2 place value is 2000. Then next question number 4. The place value of 6. We can see here 6 is only one time and 6 is sit here which number. Then we can see here 1, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Then our answer is 60,000. And here is 2 is coming 2 times. The place value of 2 equal to, it's coming 2 times. First is the sit on one's place, then 2, and second is coming 200 and it's it. Second 2 is sit on 100 place, then we write here 200. Next the place value of 6. The place value of 6, here is 6 is sit here on 10 place, then 60. Then next the place value of 2 equal to 2 is sit here 1000 place, then your answer is 2000. That is your answer. Like that your question number 6 is completed. Like that we can see here the place value of 6 is in 6 because 6 is sit on one place and here 2 is sit on 10,000 place. Then our answer is 20,000. Question number 7. Next, use the symbol greater than, less than and equal to compare the following numbers. In question number 7, first is we read ones, 10, 100, 1000, 2979, and our second number is ones, 10, 100, 1000, 2932. When we see here is also 2 both are equal. The next 9 both are equal. When we see here is 7 and here is 3. We know that 7 is greater than 3. Then which is number our greater? First number is greater. Then symbol is like that. That sign is called greater than sign. Next question number second, 5. Here is also 5. Next is 4. Here is 2 and here is 3. Then we can say here 2 is smaller than 3. Then which is number our greater? Second number is greater. Next 8,952. 8,952. If you don't understand, then you match. First here is 8. Here is also 8. Second number is here 9. Both are also equal. Next third is 5. Here is also 5. It is also equal. Next is 2 and here is also 2. It's also equal. Then we can say all digits are equal to second number digit. Then it's our sign is equal sign. Next question number 4. Fourth here is 6. Both are equal. Then 8 here is also equal. Then next 5 it is equal. Next last one's place is here 0 and here is 2. We know that 2 is greater than 0. Here we also say 0 is less than 2. Then which sign we represent here? That sign. It is the sign of smallest sign. Now next is question number 5. Here is your 3 both are same. 6 also equal. Here is also 7 it's also equal. Then next 5 Then we can say first number digits all are equal to second number all digit and their place will be also equal. Then we can say it's equal. Now next is 9. Here is 8 and here is 7. In our second number when we see here is 8 and here is 7. We know that 8 is greater than 7. Then which is number is greater? That first number is greater. How? Here when we read here 9,821 and this number is 9,799. Like that your question number 7 completed. Question number 8. Using the given digit 4, 1, 0, 5 and 7, write the smallest and greatest 5 digit numbers without repetition of the digit. Question say without the repetition. make here 5 digits smallest and greatest number. And first question what asks to our the smallest. Then in our answer should be coming first the smallest 5 digit number. Smallest 5 digit number. We know that here which is the smallest number, here is 0. But we know from the 0 we don't start the number. Why? Because if starting 0, the 0 there are no miss. If I write here 0, 1, 4, 5 and 7, then it is only 4 digit number. Why? Because the starting 0 is not value. Then here this is our not right answer. Then what is our right answer? When we see here, if your 0 is coming in your question, then after the 0, which is the number is smallest number, that we put here in one place. Then we write here 1. After that number we write here 0. After that 4 is small. After that 5 and 7. Then what is our number? Made here 10,457. It is the smallest. Now we write here the greatest 5 digits number. The greatest 5 digit number is greatest means starting from great number. Here is great number is 7. After the 7 which is smallest 5. After the 5 here is 4. After the 4 1 and last is 0. Then it makes 75,400 and like that your question number 8 is complete. Question number 9. Write the following numbers into ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger number. Smaller to greater या bigger number. Greater number. Now we check. How we check? First we check from our digits. If which number have small digit that have first number, then we write here in starting. When we see here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 5 digit. In second, here is also 5. Third, 5 and fourth number is also have 5 digit and sixth is also have 5 digit. In fourth is also have 5 digit and fifth is also have 5 digit. Then by the our digits we don't solve. Now we read this number. When we read here 26,886, 37,725 and that is 30,840, 25,975 and that number is 40,021. 40,021. When we see here starting from here is 26, 37, 30, 25 and 40. When we see here in this fourth is the first number. Why? Because here is starting from 25,000. 25,975 is smaller and the next is 26,886. After that 30,840. After that 37,725. Then next is 40,021. If you don't understand, you can see my last video. In last video I already read about ascending order. What is the means of ascending order, descending order and what is the means of these sign. They all are, if you don't understand, see the last video. Then next second, in question number second, here is also all are in same digit, 5 digit. When we see here is 59, here is 53 and first we see here only first was 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Then we don't solve. The next is here 9, here is 3, 9, 7, 7. Then we can say this number is smaller number. Then we write here 5, 3, 9, 0, 7. That is the smallest. After that here is that number is cut. Now which number is left? Here is 5, 9, 5, 9. Here is 5, 7, 5, 7. We know that 5, 9 is greater than 5, 7. Then left is two numbers. Here is 5, 9. After the 5, 7. Here is after the 5, 7 is 0 and here is 9. Then we know that 0 is smaller than 9. Then which number is smaller? That number. Then 5, 7, 0, 3, 9. 57,039. After the 57,903. 903. After that which? We know that number is also right and that. Now left is 59,307 and here is 59,703. Then we know that 307 is smaller than 703. Then first we write here 59,307, and after that last biggest number is 59,703. Here is 59,307 and here is 59,703. In last we can see here, first we count, here is also 5 digit, 5, 5, 5 and 5. After that we made, here is 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. By the first digit we don't understand which is the greatest and smallest. Next, by the second digit, here is 4, 4, 4, 7, 7. Then before the first number we don't understand, after the second number we can see here starting 1, 2, 3 digit have 7, 4, 7, 4 number, and here is 7, 7. It means that both our numbers is greater than all three numbers in 3 numbers. Then next is here also 4, 4 and here is 3. Then we know that 3 is smaller than 4 and 4. Then which number is first? We write that number. Third number is right in first position. After that, now it is cut. It means we already read and write. Now next is here is 7, 4, 7, 4. Both are cut. Next is 4, 4 cut. Here is 4 and here is 3. Then we know that 3 is smaller than 4. Then which number we write here? That number. Then 7, 4, 4, 3, 4. After that 7, 4, 4, 4, 3. Then it also written and it also written. Now we start here. 7 cut by 7, 7 cut by 7. Here is 5 and here is 4. Then 7, 7, 4, 4, 4 is smaller. And last is 7, 7, 7, 5, 5, 5. And if you don't understand, you read. If you don't understand by the cutting method, then you read. Here is 74,443. Here is 74,434. And this number is 74,344. This number is 77,444. And here is 77,555. By the reading, you also understand. Like that, your question number 9 is completed. Next, question number 10. Next question number 10 is write the following numbers into descending order. What is the means of descending order? Greater to smaller. Greater to smaller. It means now first we write here which number? Biggest number we write from starting, and last is our smallest number. Now we read first we see here which number is have biggest digit. Then we can see here more digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First number have 5 digit. Second number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's also have 5 digit. Then next third number is also have 5. Fourth have also 5, and last fifth have also 5 digit. By the counting the digit we don't understand. And next is our maze the first digit. Here is 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Then we can say here 4, 3 and 4. It is less than 5 and 5. Then we see here if our first number is your second place number. Yeah, we also take here your last fifth number is also on first number. By the count we read this number. Then here is 51,425 and this is 50,925. By when we read, then we know here 51,425 is greater than 50,925. After that we know that 3 is the smallest and it is the last number. In C here second and fifth number is already written. Then now we check in first and fourth number. First number we read, then 41,525, and your fourth number is 42,325. Then we know that 42 is greater than 41. Then first we write here 42,325 is greater than 41,525, and after that last is 34,152. Like that your question number first is completed. Next second. By this method we can solve here. Here is 86,067. Here is 81,316. Here is 85,032. The next number is 82,000. 511 and here is 81,154. 154. When we see here 86, first number is greatest number. Then we write here first in from starting. After that 85. After that 82. And then next is here is also 81. 81. When we see here is 300. Here is 100. Then which number is greater? Then 81,316 is greater than 81,154. Like that, in question number 3 we also count and read 76,543, 73,456. The next number is 74,356. Here is also 76,435. The next is 74,353. When we see here is also 76 and 76. In this question 76 is the greatest number. Now we compare in first number and fourth number. Here is 76. Here is also 76. When we see here third place, then here is 5 and here is 4. Then we know that 5 is greater than 4. Then first we write our first number. After that 76,435. After that we see here is also 74 and here is also 74. When we compare here 74 both are cut. Here is also 3 cut. Here is 5 cut. Here is 6 and here is 3. We know that 6 is greater than 3. Then which number we write here? First we write this number 74,356. After that we write here 74,353 and last is 73,456. Like that your chapter number first numbers exercise first was completed. Here is fully completed. If you have doubt then write in comment, I will be solve that. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and my videos, and also share with your friends which is your standard is 5th class, and you also see my 8th class video. Also I also make that chapter number first in 8th class. Please like and thank you very much.